Prime Minister Modi reached his hotel in Washington, D.C. This, remember, is a crucial two-day visit of the Indian Prime Minister to the U.S. ever since Donald Trump took over the administration in the United States. He first met the representatives of Indian diaspora who were cheering for him loudly outside the hotel and then went quickly inside. The first bilateral between the two leaders is expected to be on Monday afternoon. Before that, some economic engagements are also lined up for the Indian Prime Minister. We happen to speak to BJP's in charge of foreign affairs in Washington, D.C., Vijay Chauthewala. This is what he told our senior news editor, Megha Prasad.
I have with me Mr. Vijay Chauthewala, the in charge of Foreign Affairs Department of the BJP, someone who's been extremely pivotal in helping the embassy organize the community event for the Prime Minister today. Mr. Chauthewala, thank you so much for speaking to us. First, do outline for us as to exactly what all has been lined up in this community event today. Because two things. A, of course, we tried to find out the details of it. Much has not been shared. We've been told it's quite a low-key, quite a simple affair.
It is a simple affair for sure as compared to, say, for example, Madison Square Garden or San Jose event. Yeah. It is a smaller event. Approximately 700 people have been invited by the ambassador, Mr. Sarna. But it is a high impact event because in this event, embassy has invited all the leaders of all major community organizations across USA.
All major communities, when you say, what do I understand?
Means they may be religious organizations, they may be linguistic organizations, they may be professional organizations. You might be surprised that in US there might be, say, around 1,000 odd organizations, Indian organizations, Indian social community organizations.
Okay.
So some of them are very small, some of them are very regional or local. There are several temple trusts, very important. There are sects like Swami Narayan or Sri Sri Ravi Shankar. They have enormous followership here. So all those people, the important leaders of all those communities have been invited. So it basically represents the entire diaspora.
The Indian diaspora here,
in the country.